Make sure the bags are clean, free from large holes, and are not too thick or too thin. When donating bags, please don't roll or tie them. If you do come across bags that are either too thin, too thick, or have holes in the body of the bag, don't throw them away because we will use those later. Flatten out your bags. If you stick one finger in the bottom seam and another finger in the handle, when you pull, it will straighten the bag out nicely. To finish flattening the bag, you're going to push the air out, starting at the bottom and moving up towards the opening in the top. Make sure that you go in this direction, otherwise you will make a balloon. To cut the bags into Plarn, gather the bags into piles of 10 to 15. If you are looking to donate bags, this is the perfect way to prepare them ahead of time. When cutting your bags, you can use a rotary cutter or a pair of scissors, whatever works best for you. If you are using the rotary cutter, you don't want to cut more than about 10 to 15 bags at a time. When cutting off the tops of the handles, it is okay to have a little bit of extra because it will just fold into the mat. It's helpful at this point to separate the cut squares from the scraps. Make sure to remove the entire bottom seam, otherwise you will have to go back and trim it later. Now for making the chain. Take 2 loops and make a T-shape and then pass one strand through the other side, pulling one up and one down. It's important that you reach down and grab the knot to pull it tight, not the chain. This will ensure that you get a nice even loop. Lastly, roll the chain into a ball of Plarn. For our loom, the best number is between 20 and 24 loops in every ball of Plarn. Ideally, volunteers could do this simple but important process at home and then donate the balls of Plarn.